welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd show you some Christmas cards I made. And I figured, it's not Christmas time, but you know what? Who said you can make Christmas cards all year round? And that's my favorite time of the year. Oh my goodness, I love Christmas. It's not even about the presents. I just love Christmas itself with the happiness and the joyfulness. And it's just, ugh, especially as Jesus' birth. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's just. But anyway, let's get into the cards and show you what I made. So what I had was some Christmas stickers that I had like years ago. I was planning on crafting them up, and I happened to find these stickers, and I was like, why not just make some cards out of them? Why not? So with this one here, I had this elf here in a it's like a toy, in a toy train, and the rocket horse. Oh my goodness, this reminds me of my daughter when she was little. My grandmother had bought her not my grandmother, my mother, her grandmother had bought her a rocking horse. And oh my goodness, it reminds me of that when she was little. And so here you have the Santa and the tree, and not the Santa, the snowman. Ooh, I don't know. And then here it says Happy Holidays. And then inside here I stamped says May the miracle of Christmas fill your heart with wonder and joy. And I stamped the same sentiment in all of them. This one is more vintage like. And here you have the Santa and his sleigh, the snow, not the snow, yeah, the snowman, and the candy king. That's my vintage card. I think I only made one vintage like card. The rest of them are more glittery like, because we know, girl like us brokenness. So here you have the snowman and the snowflake with, it says Merry Christmas. And I just took the markers and I did like a banner behind the Santa. They all stamped the same side here. Then with this one here, you have the two snowmen and a snowflake. And I put the Merry Christmas on an angle. And this one you had Santa and a train with two snowflakes. And then I put Merry Christmas on top of Santa. And then this one you have, we call this thing here, squirrel. And he had the snow pearl. What? Oh, I like to see some snow pearls. No pole, and it has the house you have at the, when they, Santa's at the, well, I don't believe in Santa, but supposedly that's his house. But and then you have like the forest, and then off to the side you have the snowman, and then he's pointing the little ones, and you have some big old snowflakes. Sorry if I was all camera. And so that's how that one is. It's again stamped the same. This one's inside is blue. So what I did was change the colors each time, but the stamp was the same. But that's what I did, and it ends with cute ones. So some cute whatnot. So that's all for now. See ya.